package name, new project, and choosing a color scheme. In Sketchware, when creating a new project, first couple of things you have to do is setting a application name. This is just a simple string which will be shown to the user as the name of your application, and then choosing the icon for your app. Here in advanced settings, you have few more options. For example, package name. This is the most important thing here. You can change it as many times as you want, but you have to take care of two things. First, your package name should not conflict with another package name in the Play Store. And second thing, once you start sharing your app, do not change the package name because this is the identifier of your app. If you change the package name, your app will be installed as another app. It will not be counted as the same app. Then we have project name. I don't have much information about it. After that, we have version control, and that there is one whole number which is integer. You have to increase it by 1 every time you update your app. And then another which is version name, which is a string. You can set it anything. This is just a string which will be shown to the user as the information of your version. And up there is container for color scheme. If you click on question mark, you will get information what the color primary and all these are. I don't like default color scheme, so I will change it to a deep purple. That's all for the day. See you in next video about linear layout. Till then, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.